Happy Yoga Philosophy Wednesday, everybody. So, Josh J. LM Therapeutics again, in case you don't know. And this week's is a little rough too. So this is about practicing non-grasping in each of our moments and kind of contentment with what's coming up right now, to be very much in the present moment. So one of the bases for this week in Deborah Dell's Yamas and Niyamas was, if the only prayer that we were to ever say were thank you, that would be enough, by Meister Eckhart. So what would it be like, as this stuff comes up this week, just to pause for a moment and say thank you, again, in context. If it's an abusive situation, get out of that. Take care of your life first, your safety and security first. So this is kind of a first world problems thing of sorts in some instances, to just pause and be grateful for what we have in the moment, as compared to perhaps some others on the planet. So journal about that. Let me know what you think. Reach out with any thoughts and questions, and check out the program. It's online.